Hello, my name's Anthony Samroff, and I teach people to improve their social skills and develop the kind of qualities they need to have really rich and fulfilling relationships with other people. So recently I got an email from someone who watches my video who says that she recently started at college and wanted some advice on talking to strangers because she feels a little bit isolated. So I thought I'd do a video with some good tips on that. Now, I love talking to strangers. I have to say, it's one of my favorite things to do. And like everyone, sometimes I'm a bit nervous about doing it. You don't want to come across like an idiot or make a fool of yourself. But it's so rewarding to be able to do that. And one thing that I know is if I see someone that I want to talk to, I can almost always pluck up the courage to go and speak to them. And almost all the time, I get positive responses. Now, a lot of people use a conversation starter, which is sometimes called an opener, and a very popular kind of opener is to ask someone's opinions on something. Something that I do sometimes is just ask people whether they prefer cats or dogs because everyone's got an opinion on that, and there's a lot of values for that conversation to go into. You can ask them why they think that, or if they think it says something about someone's personality, if they prefer cats or dogs. But you can think of any question. The kind of opener that I would prefer to use is something that comments on something that's going on here and now when I'm speaking to that person, which is a lot more authentic. So if you're in the supermarket and they're buying some vegetables, you can say, "Oh, it looks like you're about to cook something nice tonight." Or if you want to be a bit crazy, you can find something they're getting and make a story about it. So if they were buying garlic, you could say, "Oh, have you had a vampire infestation?" And that would be a great way to gauge whether they had a sense of humor and also a fun way to start a conversation. If you're at a bar and someone's buying four drinks, then you just say, "Are you buying them all for yourself?" If they're on their own, and obviously they're not, but it's a good way to start a conversation because it's quite humorous. Another way to do that is to notice what kind of mood someone's in, and this is something I really discovered myself really works. So if there's a group of people and they seem to be having a really good time, you can just go, "Wow, you guys look like you're having a lot of fun," and that's a really good way to open up a conversation. But I've been in other situations where someone looks really thoughtful, and I just say something like, "Well, that's a pensive face if I've ever seen one. I wonder what's going on in your head, or are you thinking about something important?" Or if someone looks glum, you can just say, hasn't been your day, has it?" And you try and meet them with a little bit more energy than they have so that you're offering something, you're offering some positivity to them, and you're giving them their reason to talk to. And you're also saying, "Hey, whatever's going on for you, that's cool. I'm interested in talking to you, or I'm interested in hearing about what's going on for you." Now, another way to start a conversation is to give the right kind of compliment. Nothing sleazy, but women spend a lot of time in their hair and they like to be complimented on their hair. So that's one thing you could do. You could say, "I really like your hairstyle." Don't lie, only say it if you really mean it. They also like being complimented on any item of clothing they wear because women tend to put a lot of thought into what they wear. And men like to be complimented on their ties and their shoes, their suit coat if they're wearing one. But generally, people like to be complimented on just about anything, unless they're in the middle of a conversation. A final way, which I think is really effective, is to just ask for a recommendation on something. You could say as, "Hey, I was thinking of watching some movies tonight. Have you seen anything good recently?" People love to give advice. If you're in the supermarket, you might be going down the coffee aisle and see someone you want to talk to who's looking at coffee, and you say, "Hey, which brand's good? I tried such and such last time. I didn't like the taste of them. What's your favorite kind of coffee?" If you're at college, there shouldn't be any shortage of subjects you can start a conversation with. If you've just been in a class, you can ask someone, "Hey, what did you think of that class?" Or if you're not in a class with someone, you can say, "Hey, did you choose any good classes this year?" It doesn't matter what you say to start a conversation, so long as you come across friendly and positive, and you'll find that 99% of the time people respond to you really well. And if they don't respond to you well, it's usually got more to do with them than it has to do with you. Maybe they've had a bad day. So there's 5 different ways that you can start a conversation with someone. 1, ask their opinion on something. 2, look for something relevant to the situation you're in and comment on it as a way to start a conversation. 3, you can gauge what they're feeling and make a remark that's congruent with it. 4, you can give them a nice compliment. Or 5, you can ask for a recommendation on movies, books, or music. I hope this helps you in some conversations with people you don't know, and make some new friends. If you've got a question you'd like me to answer in a following video, please email me at enrichyourlife@outlook.com. Go to my website www.enrichyourlife.co and join my mailing list please, so that you get some information about when I post other videos and articles. Hope to see you soon, and please leave a comment letting me know what you thought of my video.